In today's video we will discuss the top 10 best automotive YouTube channels. Please make sure you subscribe to the top 10 jaw-dropping facts channel. New videos release every Monday through Friday. Come see who ranks on our list. Number 10. Shmee 150. Shmee 150, real name Timothy Burton, is an automotive YouTube vlogger who focuses mainly on the day-to-day job of keeping his extensive car collection in proper working order. He started out as a car spotter in London, but now has a rather impressive collection himself, including a custom Ford GT, a rare Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG Black Series, and a McLaren Senna. Along with his collection in London, he has cars in different places in the world. He also travels to different places for events and auctions, as well as to take part in races such as the recent Gumball 3000. His most recent purchase is a rare Zenvo TSRS hypercar. Number 9. Hoovie's Garage. Hoovie's Garage follows Tyler Hoover, a car collector in the US. He usually looks for the cheapest expensive cars in the US, which he then buys, takes to his specialist mechanic, who also has a YouTube channel, and then sells it again to make a profit. Some of the cars he buys stay within his collection due to him either liking them too much or because they do too much repair work. Hoovie's Garage is worth a try, as Mr. Hoover is quite entertaining in his presenting style, often telling a story about either how he got the specific vehicle he bought or relating a story about how the vehicle came to be, like a mini history lesson. He is also great at buying vehicles at excellent prices. Number 8. Tavarish. Freddy Hernandez, professionally known as Tavarish, is a YouTuber who documents the repairing of expensive supercars and hypercars at his shop. He usually buys nearly totaled vehicles and rebuilds them to their original factory spec, or gets older rental cars which he transforms into awesome models. Tavarish is also part of Car Trek, a Top Gear-like cheap car challenge spin-off in which he, Tyler Hoover, and Ed Balian buy second-hand cars and complete a series of challenges. Car Trek is a series worth checking out. Number 7. Doug DeMuro. Doug DeMuro is one of the most well-known automotive reviewers in the US and definitely around the world. He started out doing simple reviews highlighting the weird features and quirks cars have, but has now become a phenomenon who has influenced many other reviewers on the platform. He currently has nearly 4.5 million subscribers and well over 1.6 billion views. He has shifted to reviewing more modern cars, as classic cars have taken a bit of a downturn in recent years, and now with the ever-rising price of fuel. DeMuro also owns an online auctioneering website for interesting cars called Cars and Bids. Number 6. DriveTribe. While the DriveTribe website has announced that it is shutting down, the YouTube channel is still going strong, putting out videos every week. Based in the UK, DriveTribe focuses on the love of cars, showcasing interesting cars, talking to other YouTubers about their collections, rebuilding rare vehicles, and showing off the 3 leaders' opinions. James May and Richard Hammond feature on the channel quite often, as Jeremy Clarkson is occupied with his farm. The channel often follows Hammond as he is busy with his classic car restoration business, or he asks May to roast some YouTubers' cars for a laugh. Number 5. Carwow. Carwow is a UK-based automotive review channel with Matt Watson as its presenter. Carwow primarily deals with reviewing brand new cars, showcasing performance, practicality, and build quality to any potential buyers. Carwow is also a website on which to find the best prices for new and used cars, as well as sell cars. Carwow's channel is exciting as Watson often gets some pretty awesome cars to drag race against, most of them with their owners and fellow YouTubers, including Ianamize. Carwow also regularly gets access to exclusive reveals of new cars and give updates on the world's motor shows. It is a channel worth checking out. Number 4. Throttle House. Throttle House is a Canada-based review channel, with the cars being tested and scrutinized by Thomas Holland and James Engelsman. The duo usually does some pretty funny things with the cars they test and have done short skits at the start of each video for humorous reasons. While Throttle House is their main channel, they also run Extra Throttle House, a secondary channel in which they just talk, rant, or discuss cars. They also sometimes bring their own cars in to be filmed or make a video on a new car one of them purchased either for themselves or for the channel. All in all, they are entertaining to watch, and their audio is some of the best, with their review of the Lexus LFA being exceptional. Number 3. Car Throttle. Car Throttle is another UK-based channel mainly focused on buying cheap cars and doing weird and wonderful stuff with them. One of their more famous videos involved driving more than 400 miles on one tank of fuel with a Mazda RX-8, which they did successfully. Other videos included buying high-mileage vehicles and restoring them to their original condition. The channel also tested the effects of weight saving on vehicles by benchmarking the car around a track, stripping it of everything but the bare essentials, to operate and testing it again. The main presenter also has an ongoing build involving a Mazda MX-5 NA, which has been upgraded a lot over the years. Number 2. Retro Power Cars. Retro Power Cars is a workshop based in the UK that exclusively builds and restores classic cars. However, unlike normal restorations, this shop also modifies the cars to what the clients want, creating beautiful works of art. They have such a good reputation that the legendary Gordon Murray, the man behind the McLaren F1, had a Ford Escort NK1 built for himself using their services. Retro Power Cars' finished products have the same level of quality as Singer's 911 Resto mods, but they extend this to all makes and models. Some of their projects included making a coupe out of a Jaguar XJ sedan, modernizing a Jaguar MK2 with a Toyota 2ZJ engine, and supercharging a Lancia Stratos. Retro Power Cars is a channel for anyone who enjoys auto workshops. Number 1. Matt's Off-Road Recovery. Matt's Off-Road Recovery involves Matt and his Yellow Banana, a heavily modified Jeep Cherokee XJ. The channel involves Matt and his Jeep towing, recovering, and rescuing people who got stuck in the sand or snow in the southern parts of Utah. Along with the Jeep, the channel also features an even more heavily modified Chevrolet Corvair wagon, called the Morvair, which is specially built for the job at hand. Matt's Off-Road Recovery is worth checking out for anyone interested in off-roading and towing. I hope you enjoyed our breakdown of the top 10 best automotive YouTube channels. Please comment below for any automotive channel you think we missed. Do not forget to subscribe to the top 10 jaw-dropping facts channel. And new episodes release every Monday through Friday.